Hey guys, welcome to Pill Reaction. In this video, we will discuss about proton pump inhibitors and their side effects, and also we'll see the drug interaction between omeprazole and clopidogrel as a story. Long-term use of PPI will result in vitamin B12 deficiency, hypocalcemia, hypomagnesemia. In general, we can say it as malabsorption, and also some of the infections like Clostridium difficile infections. To understand how vitamin B12 deficiency is caused, first we will understand how vitamin B12 is absorbed. Vitamin B12 is present in the diet you consume. It is in the form of cobalamin. Vitamin B12 will not be freely available in the diet. In the sense, it will be binded to an animal protein. Now, from the salivary gland, a protein called as R binder is produced. Why is this produced? Because to protect vitamin B12 in the gastric pH. When vitamin B12 bound to animal protein reaches to the stomach, pepsin will break down the animal protein and set vitamin B12 free. This free vitamin B12 can be degraded in highly acidic environment. Hence, remember this R binder? Now this R binder will come into action. It will make a complex with the vitamin B12. And also our stomach produces something called as intrinsic factor, which is very important for the absorption of vitamin B12. Now again our B12 complex is broken down by protease in the duodenum, and again this free vitamin B12 is complexed with intrinsic factor which was produced in the stomach, and this complex travels a long way till the ileum where there is intrinsic factor receptor. The complex binds to IF receptor and then the vitamin B12 is absorbed into the blood, and again in blood it is bound to transcobalamin 2 for its transportation purposes. The whole point here is when you take PPI for a long time, intrinsic factor is not produced from the parietal cells. If it is not produced, now you know it well, vitamin B12 is also not absorbed. Let's study the drug interaction of clopidogrel with omeprazole as a story. This green guy over here is clopidogrel, and he has no powers as clopidogrel is a prodrug that is inactive and needs activation to get his superpower. This is microsomal liver enzyme. His name is CYP2C19. He will activate the clopidogrel and make clopidogrel get his all the superpowers, and this clopidogrel, since now it is activated, uses its superpower to prevent the platelet aggregation. Cool, right? Only until the bad guy enters. This is omeprazole. This guy eats, that is inhibits our CYP2C19, hence prevents the activation of our clopidogrel. If clopidogrel doesn't get activated, and all of his superpower is not gained. If all of his superpower is not gained, we know it well, he cannot prevent the platelet aggregation. As a result, leading to increased risk of cardiovascular events. Another drug interaction between warfarin and omeprazole. Omeprazole being a highly protein bound drug and has greater affinity to albumin than warfarin. Hence, when given together, omeprazole displaces all the warfarin that is bound to albumin and bind itself to albumin. Now, the displaced warfarin is in free drug form, hence leading to the toxicity. As we all know that the therapeutic index of warfarin is very narrow, hence even a slight free drug concentration of warfarin will result to the toxicity parameters. Thank you for watching. If you think this video helped you gain knowledge, then please consider sharing it. Let's learn together. For more such pill reaction videos, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.